To cast the screen from Oppo A6 Pro 5G to your TV, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to find connection and sharing, and after that we can find the screencast option. Click on it, and then we can search for display devices. We can continue. And let's wait until our TV has shown up on the list. Then you can just select it and then you will start screen sharing to it. Now, in case this doesn't work, I would recommend to connect both of your devices, that means your TV and your phone, together to the same Wi-Fi network. Also make sure that the Bluetooth is active. As I said, both of your devices should be connected to the same network. The name should match exactly. So if you have a dual channel network like 5G and 2.4G, make sure that they are both connected to 5G or 2.4, not one is 2.4 and one is 5. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.